Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. And today we have an unboxing video. It is my January 2024 Scraproom kit. Now, if you remember, I joined this kit club in November of 2023. I'm absolutely loving it. Oh, that was bad. My little ink roller. I got that from Temu, you guys, and it covers up your address. It's splendid. We have eggnog grog. Oh, that smells good. I get the coffee because I like the coffee, you know? All right. So we got to move some of this to the side so I can kind of see what we got. All right, let's start. We'll start with the double shot kits. Let me move all my stuff. All right, so we're gonna start with the double shot kit because the rest of it all goes together. Grab my little cheat sheet out of there. Now what I do is I come in here and I grab one of these cute little things. I get a pen and I put Scraproom January 2024. This is DOE double shot kit. And then I just put a little adhesive on there and I stick it right up there to the top. Okay,